I got a question. Does Barry Manilow know that you raid his wardrobe?
Give you the answer to that question, Mr. Bender, next Saturday. Don't mess with the bull, young man. You'll get the horns.
I stared death in the face through designer spectacles. He never lowered his gaze as he eyed me back. I've been scribbling hundreds of notes on paper, the funkiest dose of nature, creating a vibe on tracks. The painless shame of a life intact. I've never followed the written rules. I was skipping school and drinking booze while wishing for the wisdom that existed in my inner view. A gin or two could lift the mood, so somebody should get 'em in. And if you do get pissed, it's cool. We ain't trying to worry about anything.
Love is the reason we're always screaming. Do what you are told. Please stop growling, no. Listen to me now. I can't have you just shout every single time. Things don't work out right, so let's calm down. Now deep breath, breathe out. Calm down, now deep breath, breathe out. Do what you are told.
My office is right across that hall. Any monkey business is ill-advised.
I stared love in the face until she turned away. I told her she's the reason I'm screaming, chasing after angels, but I'm sleeping with demons, cause their faces are the same, they're of equal appeal. And I don't know better, I was confused before the virus hit, but now the opacity's peaking, relaxing in a land full of magical feelings. As the planet cracks and collapses, I'm still happily dreaming of a stage show, rocking the mic for each enamored fan. I told them they should scream and they went crazy. On their knees is how they praised me. There was only one reason they get bathed. See?
Love is the reason we're always screaming. Do what you are told. Please stop growling, no. Listen to me now. I can't have you just shout every single time. Things don't work out right, so let's calm down. Now deep breath, breathe out. Calm down, now deep breath, breathe out. Do what you are told.
So do what you're told, fall in line now. Knuckle down and obey the command. Heart laced with a bar, park hate in the past. Start draining your glass, dance crazy and laugh.
Do what you're told.
Dance crazy and laugh.
Love is the reason we're always screaming. Do what you are told. Please stop growling, no. Listen to me now. I can't have you just shout every single time. Things don't work out right, so let's calm down.